Hey, what's up, YouTube? I got a little update on my things that I got for my system, alright? So, to start off, let me tell you what I got. Alright, first off, I got a amplifier kit. And then secondly, I got a actual amplifier. Actually ended up getting two. So yeah, I'll show you both of them. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at the products I got. Alright, so I already opened both of these. I was too eager to wait. So yeah, let me see. Start off, we got our Q-Power 0 gauge wire, which I think honestly is pretty good 0 gauge wire from the looks of it. I'm not sure how it's gonna act when it actually is installed. I'm hoping it, it does as good as it looks. So I got this from VM Innovations. It's the USA Link 0 gauge. It's usually under Q-Power amplifier kit 0 gauge. Alright, what it comes with is a roll of power wire right there, boom. Ground wire, boom. Speaker wire, which is already cut up because I used to wire my subwoofers. Excuse the dirty room. Alright, it has some RCA cables all wrapped up and showing at the front nicely. A 250 amp fuse. Fuse block, for fusing, I guess. It comes with some terminals, and there are some screws in here. I don't know if you can see it. Here's one of the screws. It's to go ahead and mount this down in place. The screw holes right there and there. It gave me a little thing of remote wire, and to make it all neat, gave me some zip ties. So yeah, so this is the amp kit I got, 0 gauge. Let me show you a look of the 0 gauge, the actual wire. This looks like it's mostly wire. It's probably not the best 0 gauge, but it looks like it'd be very quality. Pretty much quality. So I got this, I think about $40. It's a really good price, for some quality 0 gauge wire. And so yeah, I'd recommend it. Secondly, bring this over here. On the contrary, we have the amplifier. Well, one of the amplifiers. It is a Planet Audio AC 4000.1D Class D monoblock amplifier. Alright, comes with the bass knob, 1 ohm stable. Here's a couple of those. Little facts. Let's go ahead and open it. And well, there it is. Alright. Here's the bass knob. Looking forward to having that in my car. Oh, yeah. Just give me a second. I'm using one hand. Alright, the amplifier is here. It's a Planet Audio, like I said, Anarchy, 4000 watts. There's the model number again, just in case. Let's see. It's a nice design. Has a little sticker with instructions on the back where to put everything, or what everything is for. Here are some of the adjusters or knobs to adjust your amp. I don't think you can see it very well, but there's input level, subsonic filter, bass boost, low pass frequency, phase, input sensitivity, amp mode, a data link cable for if you want to, I forgot what it's called, where you strap strap. There you go. Strap amps together. RCAs. Here's the speaker inputs. It's a monoblock. On the other side, we have 3 40 amp fuses, the place for your 12-volt remote and ground, and your remote bass knob. Alright, so there's your amp. Here's what it comes with. It comes with your bass knob remote wire. It has some mounting screws in here. This is a data link cable for if you want to strap 2 amps together. It also comes with a Allen wrench to open the compartment right here so you can get to the wires in there. I mean, not get to the wires, get to the place where you put in the wires and stuff. Alright, so that's amp 1. Let me show you amp 2. Oh, give me 1 second. Oh, and here is amp 2. Sony Xplode 1200 watts. Let's see, XM2002 GTW. Alright, this amplifier was a gift from my aunt, you know, so she gave me this. She also gave me some 12-inch subwoofers, but I ended up selling those because, you know, a car broke and we needed some money. Oh yeah, it's a 2-channel, has 2 40 amp fuses. You know, it has, you know, the place where you put your remote, 12 volt and ground. It's actually missing a screw on the ground, so if I end up using this, I will have to replace it. You know, you can see a little bit inside the amp right there. Alright, it's not in the best cosmetic condition, but it is, you know, I think it ought to do good. So yeah, this is my update, YouTube. I got the amplifiers. If you have an opinion on which would be better to use, you know, leave a comment or message me and tell me what you think. Which one would be better to use for the 2 Q-Power Deluxe 15s. And, you know, the 0 gauge. I should be getting my car next week. I'm not positive though, so if I do, it'll definitely be in and you'll get a first demo. So yeah, thanks for watching. Remember, comment and subscribe and thumbs up. Alright, peace.